Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I changed the Jayco trailer coupler from this to this. The original coupler on the Jayco was pretty worn and it was showing its age, so I decided in the interest of safety to weld on a brand new coupler on the front end. This is going to require a lot of cutting and grinding and cutting and grinding and prep work before the welding ever gets started. After I got the cutting and grinding and fitting done, I wanted to ensure that the coupler was square, and so I was measuring it to the front cross member on the trailer to make sure that it was the same distance on both sides. Then it came time to tack weld the coupler on, and I checked the dimensions again to make sure that I was right on before final welding. After I got the coupler welded on the top and the extra brace there welded on the top, I carried the trailer outside of the shop and flipped it over so that I could weld on the underside of the coupler as well. And after I got the underside welding done, then you can see that I have a finished coupler welded on, and we are ready to go and proceed on the rebuild. Thanks for watching, YouTube. More to come.